Communication Workshop by none other Lucy Swertek, myself. Technology abuse. The problem of workplace abuse of social media, email, instant messaging, online shopping, and other internet browsing is that people use it for their personal use. The computer and social media that they use are meant for the company and not them. Any benefit that comes with the computer are being used and abused by the person because it is not going towards that company. Computers versus phones. Computers with internet access are like equipment like cell phones. There is still access to social media and websites where things can be purchased, which the company owns that computer, so it may or may not be okay with that company. Personal device. Employees should be allowed to access the internet for personal use if they are limited to their own mobile devices. It is their device, which means that they should be allowed to access it unless there is specifically a policy where they are not allowed to be on their device for sensitivity reasons. Management monitors. Management should be allowed to monitor all internet use. If they are providing the internet, they should be allowed to monitor it. Anyone that agrees to use that network should expect that it will be monitored by whoever provides it. I also think that it would be fair for anyone providing the internet access/service to warn the employees of monitoring. You can only get mad at the employee if they know about any monitoring and they search for something incorrect because it is a company computer and not a personal device. What I mean by that is if you do not warn them or want them on a specific site and do not tell them, it is not their fault because you did not express it to them, so therefore they went ahead and did it. Support or oppose. The reason that I can give to support a crackdown on internet by management is if they provide the internet, then they should be able to control what happens on that server. The employees are not paying for it, but the company is. It also prevents anything from happening that is not supposed to. The other reason I can provide to oppose a crackdown is that anything personal will no longer be personal and can be seen by whoever can monitor it. Some personal matters are not meant to be seen and they cannot help using the internet. A personal device is connected to the internet, therefore it is not fair because you are seeing what was on a personal device and not a business device. Thank you and have a great day.